How to disable Instagram message notifications. First of all, after you open your phone like this, all you have to do now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile now, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open this menu, as you can see now, here is it under settings and privacy. So scroll to down and tap on this settings. After you tap on this settings, now scroll to down and tap on this, as you can see now, messages. So after you open these messages, as you can see now, here is the option, as you can see now. Go ahead and turn off this option, as you can see, here is it. Go ahead and turn them off, as you can see now. Just change it to off, as you can see now. Off. Change it to off this section. Scroll all the way to down and turn them off, as you can see now, all of them. Off. So after you finish turn them off, as you can see now, I turn off messages notification on my Instagram account. Now whoever send me a message on Instagram, I can't be able to get a message or get a notification that someone sent me a message. But if I open my Instagram, I can be able to see his message on my Instagram. That's it guys, on how to turn off messages notification on Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.